this square body unique specialty and classics 1987 Chevrolet Silverado K10 with a suspension lift, the original numbers matching, engine underneath the hood 350, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, and AC. Our service department did mention the AC has been converted and the compressor was free and turn on and off, but it didn't blow real cool, so it may need to be charged. I'll give you the heads up on that as we take a look at the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. I want you to take a peek at the hood. It is missing some clear on the hood. It's one of those where if you wanted to repaint the hood, the rest of the truck, not bad at all. Or drive it the way it is, have some fun. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. A few imperfections in the paint, and I do point those out in the still pictures, and I'll try to hit them as we go around here also. Moto metal wheels, Nitto tires, and rims and tires are new. Take a look at the tread. As we look up and down the passenger side of this truck, there are some chips in the paint down below. Come back to the rear. I'm going to point out this spot here too. And again, you can see these in the pictures. The truck has been repainted along the lines somewhere. I believe it was an original two-tone russet metallic and white truck. Now, very similar to a russet metallic, I would have to say. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So look at the rear chrome and tailgate. You have a spray-in light bed liner, I guess, if you will, in here. You'll see pictures of the bed from every angle, and those still pictures, again, those are at UniqueClassicCars.com. Go ahead and take a look down the driver's side here. You can kind of see that little crack in the paint. A couple spots, a little touch up here and there. Be a fun truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, or shows though. Like I said, you can spend a little time on the paint, take it to the next level, or it doesn't look that bad, drive it the way it is. You'll be able to see pictures underneath the doors also in the still pictures. Looks like it may have had the rust inhibitor once upon a time, that plug there. Sometimes they'd spray the insides of the doors. Now, this interior, it's one of those colors. If I step back here, that's pretty true to what the color of that seat is in the interior. It's one of those, when I get right up on top of it, it's going to wash it out and make it look like it is lighter than it is. That's lighter than it is. We do have a little tear there in the cloth. So once again, more of the true color of that interior is right there. So don't think it's washed out or a light tan when I get up close to it. Sorry, the camera does that. All right, tilt column. Cruise control. Does have an aftermarket AM/FM cassette player in it that does work. Let's go ahead and check this out a little closer. Fire it up for you here too. It would be a throttle body, 287, so injected, fires right up. Don't need to pump the gas. That was a cold start. Odometer reads 56,476. I can't confirm or deny original miles once the vehicle is so old. It's marked exempt in the title. I can confirm the stereo works though. Wipers work, blower fan works. That top of the dash, not bad shape either. Lots of times we see those cracked, kind of sun faded, checked. Looks good. Headliner looks good, sliding rear glass window. So front front of the vaccine here that's run. Nothing crazy as far as exhaust goes, or no heavily cammed engine. We slip up to the front. Let's check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Underside of the hood, and there's the numbers matching. 350 or 5.7 liter V8, and power steering, power brakes, AC, and is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. And it appears all the AC components are there, and like I said, service did mention it has been converted. 134 from the R12. Nice smooth running engine. In the still pictures, you're gonna be able to see the stamp on the engine block. You'll be able to see the VIN, and then there's also the RPO codes that are in the glove box, so you can see exactly how this truck was equipped to. 1987 Chevrolet Silverado K10, suspension lift, good looking truck. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
This truck is in great shape. The ride's really nice, solid, like new. You got a handy little aftermarket cup holder down here. Blower motor works.
Best happening.
Radio works. And the wipers work. This has the more modern switch, being an 87. Check the cruise already. The cruise does work. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This truck has a good rumble in the exhaust. Other than that, it's quiet where it should be quiet. Both blinker indicators work. Alright, just put the cruise on at 54 miles an hour. Oil pressure is showing about 60. The volts are at 14 and a half. Temperature's around 190. Just what you want to see. This has some wide tires on it, but it rides really good. See, we're straight now. It goes nice and straight down the road. The alignment's excellent. Maybe a little play in the steering. Pretty typical of these trucks. It's not enough to notice when you're driving regular drive. Brakes are working good. Fuel gauge is reading a quarter. That needle moves a little bit as you turn, which is also fairly normal for these trucks. Really fun to drive truck. Comfortable. Definitely want to check it out at Unique Classic